Want to sort your Excel data by color instead of just alphabetically? Let me show you how. It's perfect for organizing tasks by status or priority. I've got a task tracker here with status colors: green for completed, yellow for in progress, blue for not started. First, I'll click anywhere in the data range, then go to Data, then Sort. In the Sort dialog, under Sort, By, I'll choose Status under Sort. On, I'll pick cell color. Then I'll sort green first, then yellow, then blue. To add more sorting levels, I click Add Level and sort again by owner, for example, this time alphabetically. Click OK, and now the list is sorted by color and alphabetically inside each group. This is super useful for task boards, dashboards, or visual project tracking. If this helped, subscribe for more practical Excel tips. This is part 13 of our 500+ Excel tips and tricks playlist on the channel. Thanks for watching.